Welcome, in front of me I have ULEFONE Note 8P, and today I will show you how you can check your battery temperature. So at the first you have to open Play Store, click on the search pool, and right now you have to type Ampere. And we have to get this application from Braintrap, so let's install. Let's open. Click yes, agree, tap close, and click OK in the left bottom corner. Right now when we swipe on the right side we got the same data but in the other theme, and here we can check battery temperature, capacity, health, and also any other settings. So as you can see, that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.